Hello and welcome to online user training for Enterprise Vault.cloud. In today's training, we'll discover how to log in to the Discovery.cloud platform. There are two prerequisites to complete today's training. The first is that you have access to Discovery.cloud. This is something that's granted by your Enterprise Vault.cloud system administrator. So to check if you have access to Discovery.cloud or what URL you should log into, please reach out to your Enterprise Vault.cloud system administrator. The second prerequisite is that you're working with one of our supported browsers. A list of our supported browsers can be found on the Veritas.com support page under the Enterprise Vault.cloud section. Okay, assuming that we have both of our prerequisites completed, we can now sign in to the Discovery.cloud platform. We'll start by going to the Discovery.cloud sign-in screen, and this is what you'll see. Now, signing in to Discovery.cloud is like much of the other applications that you've worked with in the past. You'll enter in a username and password, then click Login. There are some important things that we should note about signing into Discovery.cloud. The first is that your username is your primary email address. This is more likely the email address that you work with on a day-to-day basis. Now, your password is a password that you've set up here on Enterprise Vault.cloud. Now, before you sign in, you will have to select these two radial buttons here above the username field, and that this is a public or shared computer, or this is a private computer. Now, that will impact your timeout within Discovery.cloud. If you're working on a public or shared computer, you will be timed out after 20 minutes of inactivity. If this is a private computer, your username and password information will be cached for 1 year. Now, if you ever forget your username or password, that information's okay. Remember, your username is likely going to be your primary email address. However, your password is something that you've set up here on Discovery.cloud. If you click on the Forgot Password link, you'll be taken to the Forgot Password screen. From there, you'll be asked to enter in your username. Again, that's your primary email address. Then you'll be asked to enter in a CAPTCHA, which you'll see in the center of the screen, and then click Continue. From there, you'll receive a temporary password inside of your email, and you'll be able to log into the Discovery.cloud platform. Assuming that I remember both my username and password, I'll click the Login button, and this is what I'll see. This is Discovery.cloud. Now, Discovery.cloud is an incredibly powerful tool that's broken up into different roles and has different access rights depending on what you've been granted. We'll be discussing some of those different functions in additional videos. But if you ever have questions about Discovery.cloud as you're working with it, remember, you can always go to the lower left-hand corner of your screen to our Help section. This will take you to the Discovery.cloud Help Center, where you can search for one of your questions or browse through certain topics, like logging into Discovery.cloud. Thanks so much for watching today's video. And remember, if you have additional questions, you can go to the Help Center or watch additional videos on our channel today. Thanks so much and have a great day.